Alright, so NIO stock is at $38.12 with a market cap of 62.46 billion. So in today's news, we got three updates. First update is NIO has officially produced 100,000 vehicles. So that's awesome. This is a huge milestone. I remember when we made 50,000 vehicles, and it hasn't been that long since. So we hit this new milestone pretty fast, and I think we're going to hit a couple more in a relatively short time. So update number two, in a previous video that I did, if you remember, there's a city in China, Hefei, and they are building an EV industrial park. And it makes sense that it's being built here because they're kind of known as the city of innovation, I believe. And in this park, this EV park, NIO is actually getting a new factory. So that's awesome. We're going to be able to sell more vehicles because, hey, we got a new factory. And the third update is NIO plans to have at least 500 charging stations by the end of 2021. And that's roughly double of what it had in 2020. So this is great just for the fact that the more charging stations that they build, it gets their name and brand out there and people get comfortable with NIO. And they know that, hey, if I buy a vehicle, I'm going to be able to get my battery swapped out at these locations and not have to worry about charging and traveling. And that's just genius. I love that NIO's doing this. I think it's an absolute wise decision. And yeah, in 2022, I'm hoping they're going to expand those numbers even more. So those are the quick updates that I want you to be aware of. So please stay on top of this, do your own research, have some fun, make some money.
Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.